Hi guys, buenos dias everyone. Time check ani kita. It's 2:46 in the afternoon and naka more than 23 hours of fasting na ako guys. Naka-omad tayo yesterday. It means one meal a day. And today I'm ready to break my fast again. Meron akong wrap dito na may meat inside. Binigay lang guys ng neighbor. And then meron din akong liver, chicken liver, gizzard, at saka pork adobo with coco aminos. And ito, hindi siya ganun ka strict low carb, medyo dirty low carb kasi meron siyang carbs dito from rice cake. Nag-add din ako ng egg. And meron din tong, I guess may tofu din to, at saka cabbage. So, I guess yun lang guys, shinare ko lang. And ito yung una natin kakainin. Let's eat guys. Stay healthy and stay low carb. Bye!